up, YouTube? It's Aleah, and as you can see, I am back with another video for you guys today. All right, first of all, if you're new to my channel, make sure you push that subscribe button because we're family. And if you already subscribed to me, welcome back to the family. Happy New Year's. All right, Happy New Year's to my subscribers, to everyone on YouTube. It's a new year, new decade, and I am so excited to be recording this video for you guys right now. So as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be creating my 2020 vision board. And guys, I've never created a vision board ever. If you guys don't know what a vision board is, it is basically you putting everything that you want in your life, anything that you want to manifest, anything that you want for yourself in picture form, word form, whatever, and putting it on a board so that it's directly in front of you so that you can actually see it. So guys, we finally hit 100 subscribers on my channel. Like, I'm honestly in disbelief. Like, I can't believe it. Like, this has been a long journey and we're still going. So guys, as promised, I am going to be doing the giveaway. So if you haven't seen my Black Friday haul, I actually showed what I'm going to be giving away at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch that video after this. I'll link it down below. So let's just get right into it, creating my 2020 vision board. Yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see right here, I'm just cutting out all of the pictures that I printed out from Google. And guys, you can get your pictures from Google, you can get your pictures from your magazines, wherever you feel comfortable with. You don't have to go out and like buy photos or something, I don't know. Anyway, so after I'm done cutting out all of my pictures, I'm just gonna lay them all out on the floor, on top of the board, and I'm just gonna move them around until I get the desired look for my vision board. And guys, have fun with this. Like, this is your vision board, so get creative. Do it how you want, don't worry about how other people made theirs. Do it to your liking. And honestly, I thought this part was going to take me the longest because I am very picky and I hate when things look out of place, but it actually really didn't take me that long, and I am shocked by the results. So now that I finally have the pictures in the spots that I like, I'm going to start gluing everything down with a glue stick. You can use a glue stick, you can use double-sided tape, use whatever you feel comfortable with. So along with my poster board, I decided to buy this tape. The silver one is just regular duct tape, and then the other one is just a colorful pink tape. And I decided to use those to create borders around my pictures. And honestly, I ended up using the pink tape anyway. It was so much fun to do. I loved it. And guys, like I said, just have fun with this. Like, this is your vision board. And as you can see in this part, I changed my mind about that duct tape real fast, sis. I was like, nope, this silver is just not hitting right now. Like, I just don't like it. So I decided to use the pink tape and I ended up loving it. Like, it just made the board look amazing. And here's the final product of my 2020 vision board, guys. And when I tell you guys that I am so excited with this outcome, I love everything. I love the placement of the pictures. I love the pink tape. I love how everything just fits well together. It just makes me so happy that I did this. Finally finished making my vision board, and guys, that was so much fun. So now we're gonna go over everything that I have. And here is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Like, it's so nice. All right, so we're gonna go over everything that I have. Let me get up close and personal. So we're just gonna start on this side right here. So the first thing that I put right here is a heart, and it says self-love. And basically this is self-explanatory, but I just really want to learn how to love myself, love my flaws, love me for me. And also right here I have hola because I want to learn Spanish this year. I wanted to say that your girl definitely should be very fluent in Spanish because I took it from 4th grade to 10th grade, but I didn't pay attention, and the only thing that really stuck with me was like the numbers, the basic greetings, and colors. Then right here I have a musical note. I want to start taking voice lessons again. I used to take voice lessons back, I believe, in 2015, and I stopped. We're gonna go Right here, I have the word adventures because I really want to go on more adventures in 2020. I talk about this a little bit more in my other video. I just really want to start going out more and doing more fun things. Down here, I have a Queens and Letos. If you don't know Aleah.mue, worry what you doing. I have Queens and Letos logo because I really just want to go to some type of hip hop class or some type of heels class. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Down here, I have a picture of just dumbbells and basically healthy food because I want to start eating healthy. Right underneath it, I have 30 pounds down because I want to lose 30 pounds in 2020. Going back up to the top, I have a quote that says choose happiness because I really want to start with the self-love and all that stuff and self-care. I want to start choosing happiness during the difficult situations in my life. I feel like in 2019 I was more so letting my depression overcome me, and I don't want that to happen. So we have that. I have 500 subscribers because in 2020 I really want to reach 500 subscribers, guys. Going down right next to that, I have heal because in 2020 I just want to focus on healing on anything that I haven't healed from in my past, because it's just not healthy to hold on to everything. Right here, I have appreciation because I want to learn how to appreciate the things in my life. I feel like I have a very hard time appreciating the people that I have and appreciating the things that I have and the people that I have around me, just due to the fact of everything that I've been through in my life. Down here, I have heels because I feel like I want to start dressing up more in 2020. I feel like I haven't really dressed up a lot in 2019, and I really want to start doing that. Grateful kind of goes with appreciation. I have money because I want a second source of income. Gotta get this money, you know what I'm saying? All right. And also in 2020, I'm starting school. I'm just getting my bachelor's in social work, okay? So I just want to, get straight A's when that time comes and just really just focus on school and put my all into it. Up here, I have a picture of a girl reading a book, and she has natural hair because, hello. Basically in 2020, I want to grow my hair out more, start taking care of my hair more so that it can grow this big, okay? And I want to start reading more books. If you want to know what books I'm currently reading, make sure you comment down below for that. Right here, I have patience because with everything on this board, patience is definitely the key to all of this, and I want to just learn how to be patient with things and really enjoy the things in life. And lastly, I have this quote right here. It says, embrace and love your body. It's the most amazing thing you will ever own. And with that, I just want to learn how to love my body more, pretty much, and to just accept who I am now while I'm losing weight, and to just love my body now and to love my body afterwards. So that's pretty much it for my vision board, guys, for 2020. I'm very excited for this year, and I'm excited to see how things go for me this year. And if you haven't seen my video where I actually talked about what I want to do more of in 2020, make sure you guys go watch that video because I really get in depth with what I want to do more of in 2020. And I feel like we should all be saying what we want to do more of instead of saying these are my New Year's resolutions. But I talk about that more in my other video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button for me. And make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias. I love you guys. I hope you guys manifest everything that you guys want in this year. I hope you guys have a great year. Believe in it. You guys got this. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.